Today we're making an ice cream classic called Cherries Jubilee, but without the canned Bing cherries and without the syrup. Everything is seasonal, so if you notice we have summer cherries, fresh citrus, some peaches, a little bit of butter, powdered sugar, and some alcohol, some Kirsch. So anyways, to start this dish up, you turn on your frying pan, get it nice and hot, not too hot, because you don't want to burn your butter. Get it nice and warm. And you're going to throw some cold butter into it, get it to start melting. Probably about a couple tablespoons there. As it starts to melt, make sure you stir it, and if it's not cooking down enough, just snatch up a little bit with a fork. Then we're going to add some powdered sugar to it, a couple of tablespoons. And then use your fork to make sure that it melts down. Stirring it up, make sure there's no lumps into it. Get a half orange, squeeze it right into it. Those nice citrus juices. Again, we're making this all natural and fresh, using summer vegetables and fruits. Stir it in, make sure it's all dissolved. All that powdered sugar, look at it, how it melts and makes that nice syrup. Here you go. Next, we're going to throw in some fresh peaches that we get locally from an organic farm. Okay, and nice farmer's market there. And we got these fresh cherries. Look at these, nice and sweet. Fresh there. Okay. Throwing it back onto the frying pan. Go here. You get your alcohol. Make sure when you're going to put it in there, you pull it off the heat, separate, a couple of splashes, and drop it inside. Okay. Then you're going to turn off your heat. Make sure to stir right in. Nice syrup. Bring over your ice cream here, and you're going to lightly throw over your nice berries and peaches there. Look at this. Nice and fresh. Finish it off with the nice juices. All right. A little piece of mint there. And there you go. There you have it.